Hey foodies, wagwan wagwan. So I took a little break from the kitchen, but now I'm back, and of course I had to make my one pot pasta. It's chicken, mushroom, spinach, all the works. So delicious and very easy to make. This is one of my go-to one pot meals. It's quick, it's delicious, it's easy to make. I'm working with 2 large chicken breasts that I cut into chunks, seasoned with the ingredients down below. And of course you can use whatever protein you like, some shrimp, salmon, even beef. Make sure you salt that pasta water before adding your pasta. Cook your pasta. We're gonna pan fry or chicken pieces, cook all the way through. Remove, set it to the side, go in with some onions, garlic, or slice the mushrooms, 2 cups or even 3 of spinach, because you know when you add that spinach, it looks like you didn't add any at all. That's crazy. Going with some chicken broth, some heavy cream, add your chicken, season, make sure we're tasting as we're going along. Lots and lots of cheese. I used 2 cups of parmigiano reggiano. Of course you can use parmesan instead. Mix everything in, add more salt to taste if needed. All the ingredients will be listed down below. Don't forget to hit that follow button for more easy recipes.